Hello guys. Wonder they say shall never cease to end. The federal government of Nigeria panic as 18 foreign lawyers set to defend Simon Ekpa in court. This is no longer a joke. You see, yesterday, Simon Ekpa was captured in Finnish detention, and this is what Nigerian media like Channel, AIT, they will show you these things. They will not publish this news. Nigerian government is actually panicking now that these 18 foreign lawyers are set to defend Simon Ekpa in court. Nigerians, this is no longer a joke. You see, Nigerian government, like as I said, never saw this coming. This case is actually, taking another dimension. So those people will come and tell you Simon Ekpa did that, even the federal government of Nigeria said the other day that the Finnish authority is well prepared to make sure that Simon Ekpa is brought back to Nigeria. Okay, for more clarification, let me show you this. A news is a review this that Simon Ekpa is going to be, defended by 18 lawyers. Okay, 18 foreign lawyers. People are asking questions. Who are these 18 foreign lawyers? And don't also forget that Simon Ekpa belongs to a political party, okay? A national coalition party. Simon Ekpa belongs to that political party. When the secretary to that party, when he was asked about Simon Ekpa's case, whether he's going to be expelled as a member of the political party, he declined. He declined to say anything. Do you know why? Timo Elo declined to comment on Simon Ekpa possible membership of the party. Do you know why? It's because they are trying to, know what they dish out from to the medias, because it seems that whatever you say, Nigerian government or whoever, they will just turn everything upside down, just to suit them. My people, I am telling you this matter. It don't come off, for be careful. You understand? In this video, I'm still going to show you, that Simon Ekpa is still a member of that political party. Since the NCP secretary, says we will never say who is and who isn't our member. That is confidential information. Elo told the TV that interviewed. So he did, however, say that if a member of the party was a suspect of terrorism offenses, that would likely lead to that expulsion. So that means, since they have not suspended Simon Ekpa, meaning that he's still a member of that political party. So my people, this is what Nigeria media will never show you. They can never televise these things. You understand? But the real shocking news right now is that 18 foreign lawyers set to defend Simon Ekpa in court. So Nigerian government needs to get, prepared, because this is no longer a joke. According to the acting prime minister right now, said that they have gotten a lot of evidence, against Nigerian government. And don't also forget that before now, a lot of petitions have been flying in ICC, talking about genocide being committed in the southeast and all that. So my people, this is no longer a joke. So these 18 lawyers are coming, to defend Biafrans, freedom fighters. They have come to defend freedom fighters. That is the Biafrans in the southeast, who are asking Nigerian government that they should, conduct referendum for them to know where they belong. You understand? So these 18 foreign lawyers, you know how these people they do now. If they want to do something, then go do them. You understand? So yesterday, Simon Ekpa was captured in the finished, detention and all that. So this is not a matter of joke, because the government never saw this coming. But right now, it's here. You understand? Right now, it's here. Okay? So people have been asking questions. Who are these foreign lawyers who have decided to defend, Biafrans and Simon Ekpa against Nigerian government in court? My people, these foreign lawyers, they have, vowed to make sure that these Biafrans who are agitating for their freedom must get justice. We never talk about nnamdikanu matter finish. Okay, so what you are seeing here is those people who actually visited Simon Ekpa in detention. That was yesterday. The lawyers, they have visited Simon Ekpa in Finnish detention for you to know how serious this, okay, how serious this matter is. Nobody is joking. So they have gone to Finland detention. They have met with Simon Ekpa. They have discussed with Simon Ekpa how this will go. Like as I said, that the Nigerian government, they never saw this coming. Things are really going in the favor of Biafrans. So if they hear say people they talk this one, they talk this, what is it called? The Nigerian government saying that they are going to repatriate Simon Ekpa back. I beg, make una just hold on. Another thing, the bloc has brought in new rules for social media platforms, including a digital service art and the digital marketers art. These give the EU powers to act if platforms allow content that the EU views disinformation, inflammatory, or otherwise unaccepted. Okay, something happened. I will tell you what happened. When I know say, Nigerian government, it's really staggering right now before the international community, based on Nigerian president has been ranked as one of the third corrupt politicians in the world. So many things, is happening. So why EU actually did this? The police have been investigating the case since since 2022, that the actual investigation into the matter began at the beginning of February, and based on it, the Lighty man is suspected of collecting money in violation of vandalizing laws. Okay, Rim told the year publication. So the authorities have questioned the suspects about the investigation and all that. So these are the foreign lawyers. Okay, these are the foreign lawyers, the 18 foreign lawyers who have actually decided, to make sure that the Biafrans are protected. Simon Ekpa is being defended well in the in the Finland custody. So, Nigerians. So, guys, there is serious panic in Nigeria right now. There's serious panic, and these are the things they will not let, anybody to know. Nigerian government, I'm saying this again, they never saw this coming. But let's see how things, unfold in the future, because this is getting more interesting and tougher as well. I beg, how na see this matter? Drop your comment below the comment section. Thank you and bye for now.
Aisha Yusufu has taxed Imo State Governor, Enugu State Governor, Anambra State Governors. Stop blaming government. You are the CEO of your state. You are the executive governor. Now, since you go to Abuja to collect money, then take responsibility for the insecurity in your state. What do you have to say about it?
Now, thank you for that wonderful question. I think being the governor of the state, you have every power for you to make sure that see you get security votes from the federal government. By so doing so, what are the governors doing with this money? Stop coming out to tell the people that there is insecurity in my state and that unknown government have been killing. The government need to take action and put an end to all this and stop apportioning blames. The people you are apportioning blames to are the people who their lives and properties are what entrusted in your hand as the chief security officer of the state. So for a governor to come and start telling people that see there is insecurity in my state, I think to me the governor need to stand up and then act now, because every now and then allocation is being shared for you, security vote is being given to you, and you have the mandate. The primary function of government is to protect life and property.
Yes.
So if you cannot protect life and property, then why are you the governor?
But some have said that the governors have no power over the military, that it's only the president as the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. What do you have to say about that?
The president, the governor does not have power over the military. That is true. But see, the question is that can the governor summon military chiefs in their states, I mean the division's commander, to sit and dialogue for a way forward? The answer is yes. So if we can do that, so indirectly it still has power over the military. Now when it calls for security meeting, don't this men don't these guys attend in his various place? They do. So the president should not come and say that he does not have sorry, the governor should not come and say he does not have power. We still have killings in Imo State, Enugu State, and some other states. For how long can we continue in this path? The people are scared of their lives. The people cannot even access government, access those who they claim to be what electorate. We cannot access people that give us the mandate. So how long can they continue like this? So I think the government of these states on their own, they need to up their games. You must up your games as a governor if you don't want to be sacked come 2027.
But there's always been this fear that the votes of Nigerians does not count, and that is why our elected officials are acting this week. That assuming our vote is counting, they will sit up knowing that if I don't perform, no second term for me. Do you agree with that statement?
Our vote does not count. I cannot say if our vote count or not, because I have not conducted any election. So what I'm to say is that people have lost confidence in the INEC, in the power.
The reason why they've lost
You've lost confidence because so many persons have seen the case of Hope Uzodinma when but reason best the court knows why he had to give it to him. But someone who came forth in the election was uplifted and then he came forth. So the court cited some reasons which Hope Uzodinma became the governor. Reason best known to them. I am not in the position to speak for the court. But one thing is that INEC needs to be the trust of Nigerians again. You saw what happened in last election. As allegedly reports that results were changed in the RF quarter. So I don't know how true that allegation is, but see, it has been going viral. So these are things INEC need to repose that confidence in the average Nigerian. And for the governors too, how much is being given to you on a monthly basis? If you get money on a monthly basis, then why don't you make sure that these people who gave you the mandate to protect them, you can as well protect them too? Because the people cannot always be one-sided every time. The people need to benefit from dividends of democracy. And when they have to benefit from the dividends of democracy, is by what? By inclusive governance. The people need to feel the government impact. Not every time you come on here and say government has attacked the people, you come and start creating fear. These governments are even creating fear in the life of the ordinary man.
We've seen the governor of Enugu State who has declared that Monday is no longer a sit-at-home in Enugu State. People are saying that You are seeing that as because you're the governor. Can you come and secure our lives? I mean, the other people, because you see this sit at home every Monday. Some are doing it maybe out of respect for nnamdikanu, but some are doing it out of fear. It is two ways. People are telling the governor, please find a way to secure. Our police cannot be everywhere. What do you think? Because sit at home every Monday, it might be affecting the economic activities in the southeast. What do you think that the governor can do, or the governors in the southeast can do?
Thank you for that one. I think sit at home every Monday is a commensurate to honor the Mazi Nnamdi who has been in incarceration for 4 years now and still counting. But what I want to say is that when there is a conflict in the land, the president himself needs to address this issue of Kanu. Let Kanu issue be settled out of court. If what Kanu is the son of the president, as a son, you can go, you can have a different view or different ideology and philosophy from what your father had. But why can't you, as a father, have you reached out to Kanu himself? And what I felt that the president ought to have done was, why Kanu was in decision, go and meet, let them bring Kanu to you, DSS. Sit down with Kanu, have a round table discussion with him.
But do you think that's possible? Because we saw
See, my mother,
Buhari, he could not
my mother,
freedom.
Buhari is different. See,
So
these are two different people.
Yes.
If you want, the security apparatus cannot be everywhere, and these guys are what, overstretched.
Yes.
These guys are also overstretched. So the president is the father of the nation. Since the president is the father of the nation, he should at least reach out to this guy, even to the Ohanes in Igbo. Whenever he will want to invite some Igbo politicians and some Igbo stakeholders to sit on a round table and discuss with Kanu. You have conditions, give him your conditions. Send it to him. Because you see, this is the only way this thing about marginalization can stop. And the truth of our matter is that the Igbos are heavily marginalized in the country. And that is what, and that has breed a whole lot.
But do you think that giving them an opportunity, or yes, that's an opportunity, or finding a way, a consensus in 1999, Nigeria had a consensus on making a Yoruba man a president. In 2007, Nigeria had another consensus to make another man to be president. Do you think that Nigeria finding a way or making a consensus to make an Igbo man the president is going to make that marginalization or the agitations go down in the south?
Making an Igbo man be the president would at least work to some extent. It will help this issue of marginalization reduce a very long way, because if the Igbo man is the president, Peter Obi, you will not watch Peter Obi allowing Mazi Kanu to languish in detention, even if, because yes, that is his brother from his tribe. They are from same tribe. No, so why was Senegbo released? It was let's go.
Yes.
So to some extent, it will help a long way. And as an Igbo man, he will speak in the language that the Igbos. Now I am one of the sons. Yes. You don't have any right to agitate.
Yes.
So that will help them. It will go a very long way for them too.
So I'm letting you go. I think we have like 1 minute.
Okay.
Now, Southeastern Governors Forum. What should be their next step?
Southeastern Governors Forum should at least make moves to meet with the presidents.
Yes.
To put an end to all this. That is the only way. Because if there's no end to all this, all we hear is killing. And then we are not in support of all this killing. It is not good for the future of the country. It's not good for the future of the country.
Okay, thanks for coming.
Thank you for having me.